Okay, so repeat after me. You have to read the entire box all in one go without stopping in between. وَإِذَا قِيلَ لَهُمْ.
وَإِذَا قِيلَ لَهُمْ.
Okay, the first thing is وَإِ. The hamza has to be pronounced from the bottom of the throat. وَإِذَا.
وَإِذَا.
Say the I a bit sharper. وَإِذَا.
وَإِذَا.
And then the qaf. قِيلَ لَهُمْ.
قِيلَ لَهُمْ.
Okay, next is the la, so it has to be stretched, the madda asli. La tufsidu.
La tufsidu.
Fil ardi.
Fil ardi.
قالوا إنما.
قالوا إنما.
Okay, so the lu, the qa, sorry, has to be the qa sound. It's not ka, qa. It's a full mouth letter as well. قالوا إنما.
قالوا إنما.
And do you know what this rule is over here? The nun with the shadda?
No.
Okay, so,
يديهن.
yeah, so when do you do ghunna? What's the ghunna rule? If a. Okay, so it's written over here. If a nun or a mim has a shadda, can you point to a shadda? Yeah, that W. If a nun or a mim has a shadda, you will do ghunna. So next time I ask you what the ghunna rule is, that's what you have to tell me. So if I tell you what rule is happening here, what will you tell me? If
I thought you only do it if it's a nun or a mim. Yeah,
so that's a nun, isn't it? Yeah. So so if I ask you what's the rule here, what will you say?
So when
If a
letter has a shadda.
Which two letters? If a
nun or a mim has a shadda, then you have to use ghunna.
Yeah. And then a ghunna means a heavy sound from the nose for the duration of one alif. Yeah? So ghunna literally is a heavy sound from the nose. That's why if you hold your nose, you can't do a ghunna. You want to try? So like this. Yeah, so you can't do it. So you need to remember these rules. Okay, let's do it again. The next box. Nahnu, say the ha. Nahnu.
Nahnu.
Muslihun.
Muslihun.
Okay, two mistakes there. One's a swad. Swad is a full mouth letter, so don't make it sound like a sin. Listen to how I say it. Muslihun.
Muslihun.
And the ha. Hun.
Hun.
Okay, that's still a small ha, so we need to work on that. Okay, let's practice that line first. Okay, but before we finish, the swad. Remember how we discussed it yesterday? How you say a swad full mouth? The tongue, you put it all the way up against the top palate, isn't it? So the back of the tongue and the front of the tongue, as much as possible, should be placed around the top palate and stuck to it. So so. Muslihun.
Muslihun.
Okay, so we need to practice the letters of sad and the ha.